Since its 2020 debut, the Sony A7S III has been a favorite among filmmakers and content creators for its exceptional low-light performance and video features. As Sony's flagship video-centric mirrorless camera, it raised the bar for video recording, leaving fans eager for the A7S IV. Although Sony typically upgrades cameras every 3 to 4 years, the A7S IV has yet to arrive, and rumors about its features are circulating. With the A7S III still performing strongly, will the A7S IV be a game-changer or just an incremental update? Let's find out. One of the most talked-about rumored upgrades for the A7S IV is the introduction of a dual-layer stacked Exmor CMOS sensor, designed to push the boundaries of low-light performance and dynamic range. This innovative sensor technology is said to feature larger photodiodes and a more efficient design, which could result in a drastic reduction in noise levels, making it even better at capturing details in extremely low-light conditions, something that the A7S series has always excelled at. The rumored 20.5 megapixel sensor, effective 19 megapixels, is expected to offer a massive improvement in light sensitivity, with claims suggesting it will deliver over twice the low-light sensitivity of the A7S III. This enhancement will allow videographers to capture clean footage in virtually any lighting scenario. While the 20.5 megapixel resolution may seem modest compared to competitors pushing for higher pixel counts, it's in line with the A7S series philosophy of optimizing performance over resolution. The emphasis on video quality and low-light capabilities means the A7S IV is unlikely to be an all-in-one powerhouse for stills. The A7S IV is rumored to support 6K video recording at various frame rates, including 6K at 120 FPS, 60 FPS, 30 FPS, and 24 FPS. This represents a significant leap over the A7S III, which offers 4K recording at up to 120 FPS. With a 6K video capture, the A7S IV could offer an oversampled 4K output, providing sharper and more detailed footage that will satisfy the most demanding video producers. The camera is expected to include 10-bit 422 internal recording, making it a powerful tool for color grading in post-production. One of the standout features of the A7S IV will likely be its 8 stops of in-body image stabilization, which will further enhance its usability for handheld shooting, especially in challenging environments. In addition, the camera is rumored to support dual ISO, with a secondary setting of ISO 25600, which will enable filmmakers to shoot in extreme low-light conditions while maintaining image quality. This dual ISO technology would be a huge advantage for those working in fast-paced production environments where lighting conditions are unpredictable. The A7S IV is expected to feature a new and improved autofocus system, with AI-driven tracking technology that will enhance subject recognition and tracking capabilities, even during fast-moving scenes. This AI-powered autofocus will likely be one of the key selling points of the A7S IV, as it will make it easier for videographers to maintain focus on moving subjects without having to manually adjust the focus ring. Whether filming sports, wildlife, or action sequences, this autofocus system is expected to rival that of the Sony FX3 and other high-end Sony models. The A7S IV's autofocus system will also likely be able to track faces, eyes, and animals with exceptional precision, making it an ideal choice for documentary filmmakers, vloggers, and creators who rely on autofocus for high-quality content without compromising on performance. These enhancements bring the A7S IV closer to the level of the FX series, although it will still likely lack the advanced features like timecode synchronization and modular design offered by the more professional-grade FX cameras. Sony's A7 series has always been known for its compact and ergonomic design, and the A7S IV is expected to maintain this formula, though with some incremental improvements. The camera is rumored to feature an upgraded electronic viewfinder with a higher resolution, possibly pushing the EVF to 3.69 million dots. The rear LCD touchscreen is also expected to receive an upgrade for better usability. Additionally, the A7S IV is said to feature enhanced weather sealing, improving its durability and making it more reliable for creators working in challenging outdoor conditions. To address past overheating concerns, the A7S IV is likely to come with a new radiator design that will allow it to handle extended video recording sessions without the risk of thermal shutdown. This design change should be particularly appealing to professionals who rely on the camera for long-form content creation. With all these advanced features, the A7S IV is expected to see a price increase from the A7S III's $3,500 to around $4,000. While this price jump may seem steep, it reflects the inclusion of new technologies, such as the dual-layer stacked sensor, 6K recording capabilities, and improved autofocus. Sony is positioning the A7S IV as a high-end video-centric camera, suitable for both professionals and serious enthusiasts who need reliable, high-quality video in a compact form. However, this price increase will put it in direct competition with other high-performance video cameras like the Canon EOS R5C, Panasonic Lumix S5 II, and the FX3, each offering unique features and benefits. The A7S IV will need to justify its price by delivering on its promise of unrivaled low-light performance, industry-leading autofocus, and reliable heat management. Sony is reportedly planning to announce the A7S IV in late 2025, with the camera expected to target both professional videographers and content creators who demand the highest quality video in a compact form. This launch comes at a critical time for Sony, as the mirrorless camera market has become more competitive, with other brands like Canon, Panasonic, and Nikon raising the bar in both resolution and feature sets. The A7S IV is speculated to position itself as a bridge between the highly regarded A7S series and the professional-grade FX series, combining top-tier video capabilities with the portability and versatility of the A7 series. Sony's challenge lies in striking the right balance between video performance, usability, and image quality, all while keeping the A7S IV distinctly separate from the FX lineup, which offers more professional-grade features like modularity, timecode syncing, and extended recording times. The Sony A7S IV promises to be an exciting addition to Sony's video-centric mirrorless lineup. While it may not introduce groundbreaking features like 8K recording, it's expected to enhance key areas for videographers, such as low-light performance, video resolution, and autofocus. If the rumors are true, it will mark a significant step forward for the A7S series, making it an even more versatile tool for professionals. With the announcement approaching, Sony's next move could redefine video-centric mirrorless cameras. Thank you for watching. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments section below.